So welcome to Micro Wheel Australia. We want to introduce you the valve sensor technology from Citron. We have two different type of sensors. One is our valve integrated sensor. This sensor is perfectly integrated and fitted to our micro wheel, the heavy duty 8.25 wheel from Micro Wheel. It's just a bolt-in solution, so that's easy to handle. What I want to show you is our retrofit solution, which is the patented wire lock system from Citron. So you've got a wire, and this wire will hold the sensor in place. That's how you fit it. You just wrap that cable here. It's actually a rubber coated steel wire. You wrap it around here twice, and then you make sure this cable crosses over right opposite where you're holding the sensor, so it settles down here nicely. And then there's a specific tool that comes delivered with the kit, and with this tool you can ratchet on that sensor. Now it's just hand operation. One person can do this job. Ratchet it down, make sure it's nicely on, perfect, settled down, and then you nip it on just with your hands, no tools required. With your hands, good hand strength here. The ratchet mechanism is holding the sensor really well into place now. What you can do, you can add a piece of double-sided tape underneath the sensor to additionally fix it in that position and to also really avoid any rotation on that rim. But this is a very strong way of fixing a retrofit sensor. That rubber-coated steel wire allows a little bit of expansion of the rim and contraction, and still keeps this here secure in place. I think that's all that needs to be done. Then you put your tire on and get started. Thank you.